Cell membrane, the protective barrier. Hello everyone, welcome back to biology lectures. Today we will learn about the cell membrane, which is the outer covering of the cell. What is cell membrane? The cell membrane is a thin flexible layer that surrounds the cell. It protects the cell and controls what enters and leaves the cell. Function: gatekeeper of the cell. The cell membrane works like a gatekeeper. It allows useful substances to enter. It removes waste materials. It keeps harmful substances out. So it maintains balance inside the cell. Selectively permeable. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. This means some substances can pass through, some substances cannot pass. Only specific materials are allowed inside. Structure of cell membrane. The cell membrane is made of lipids, means fats, form a double layer. Proteins help in transport. This structure is called lipid bilayer. Types of transport. There are two main ways substances move across the membrane. First, passive transport means no energy needed. Substances move from high concentration to low concentration. No energy is used. Example, diffusion. Second, active transport means energy required. Substances move from low concentration to high concentration. Energy means ATP is required. It helps to move important materials against gradient. Osmosis, special type. Osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane. Water moves from high water concentration to low water concentration. Conclusion. So today we learned cell membrane is the outer boundary of the cell. It controls movement of substances. It is selectively permeable. Transport can be passive or active. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.